I am trying to embrace humiliating myself because I think it may take me to a new level in life, to a higher level, to something good. I'm hoping. We'll see. I'm about to start my first virtual ballet class. Hi everyone, I'm Kelly Jones with HeroAwakens.com and welcome to my channel. I'm going to start a health and weight loss journey. So I got to thinking about this and I decided to divide this journey into 3 parts. Part 1, the weight loss journey. Part 2, the health. And part 3, the exercise. And for my exercise, I'm going to take dance classes. I'm going to learn dance and do dance. I love dance so much. What a great opportunity to let that, to do that, because I need something to help me get me in shape, and it's something I've always wanted to do as an adult. For my dance, for part 3, the exercise, I have 2 sections. I have ballet and TikTok dances. Yeah, you heard me. Oh my gosh. You heard me right. Yeah, you did. You did. It's going to be embarrassing. Yeah. But anyway, So section 2 of my weight loss through dance is going to be doing a TikTok video per week. I don't know that I'm even capable of doing them, but I'm going to try. Even if I humiliate myself, I'm going to try. And so like I had mentioned, the first thing is ballet. I'm going to take ballet classes each week. Ballet is just something I have always wanted to take adult ballet classes and learn more about it. And I did for a little while when I first finished college, and then I got away from it. And so I'm so excited to come back to this, and I'm in horrible shape, so it's really a struggle for me now compared to then. I was still in very good shape then, but I never had really progressed beyond, I would say, like a beginner level. I took taken a lot of ballet, but I mostly focused on other kinds of dance. In high school, I was a dancer. In college, I was a cheerleader and a dancer. I kind of went back and forth. And so I've had a lot of experience with dance specifically, but not ballet exactly. So dance in general, and not ballet specifically. That's a better way to say it. Okay, anyway. I knew that I wanted for the exercise part to be dance, and so I started researching how to take dance. I stumbled across some live classes through Zoom, and I'm hooked. I found 2 schools who were offering classes. I'm sure there's more, but I happened to find 2 schools who were offering online classes through Zoom, live classes. One is Ballet Academy East out of New York City, and the other is the Washington Ballet out of Washington, D.C. The Ballet Academy East has so many class options, so many instructors. It is so amazing. I'm hooked. And I just kind of set up, I'm here in my living room now, and I just kind of set up my living room to where I can take them. And so each week with my ballet, I'm going to set some goals, like how many classes to take, and then the next week we'll see if I was able to take all those classes. And it's okay if I didn't, but I'll try to figure out how I could do that better. And then number 2, I'm going to show like clips of the ballet. That way, like clips of me taking the classes and doing some of the techniques, and that way in a few months we can do before and after and see if I've improved or not. Hopefully I have. So section A is going to be ballet. But now the second part, so I'm going to start trying to do a TikTok dance each week, and this is where I'm gonna need your help in picking some of them. So what I thought is that, like, in the description box I may put a few that I like, and you guys could tell me which one, or just put a link in the, I think you can, I'm fairly certain you could just put a link in the comments and I'll go to that link. I'll copy and paste it if I have to, if it doesn't show up as a link, and I'll pick a video each week. You guys will help me pick a video, and I'm gonna do it. I mean, within reason. Like if it's jumping off of a building or something, of course I'm not gonna do that, or doing a lot of crazy gymnastics. I mean, I weigh 247 pounds, so within reason. But I don't care to humiliate myself. That's okay. I'm doing that right now as we speak. Yeah, so I thought that would be kind of cool. Like, you guys can help me pick the videos if you want. Hopefully that would be fun. Okay, so in the comments, please leave a link of a dance that you would like for me to try on TikTok, and I will pick one of them. Or also, if you don't have one in mind. I'm also going to put a few ideas in the description box, so go check the description box, you know, and see, you know, check out some of those, see if you want me to try any of those. And then starting, you know, a few weeks from now, I'm going to start picking some of these videos and trying them each week. And I will, here in this series, I will show a little bit of clips of me learning the dance, and then I'll include a link so you can go watch on TikTok if you want. So even if I make a fool of myself, I'm going to do this. So within reason, like I said, with safety, within reason of safety. I don't care to make a fool of myself, I want to be safe. Okay, so this is the second part of my health and weight loss journey, which is all about the weight loss through dance part. In the first video, it has parts 1 and 2, which is the weight loss and the health portion. I did a weigh-in and I showed some of my before and after clips from January 1st. And so I thought I'd include some of those here in case some of you aren't really interested in that and you're just interested in the dance part. So I thought I'd show some of those now. So first of all, I'll do my weigh-in. It's right here. Hi, I'm gonna weigh in at 9:38 Tuesday, May 18th, 2021. And I'll put my phone here on the stand so that you can see the scale as I weigh in. Oops. Okay. Here we go. 245.8. There we go. Hey, Caleb. So yeah, so that's about it. 245.8. And then I also thought like I have some before and after things from January 1st. Like I did like the circle and I did include a lot of measurements. I tried to include a lot, and some other little things that show up on my scale like body fat percentage and BMI and all that. And so I thought I'd include all those here. That is everything. Okay. Whew, here we go. Oh gosh. Oh, I hope so much. I hope and pray that I stick to this time. And I'm trying so much to share, you know, what's really going on in my heart and try to keep it succinct. I tend to way over talk things, but also explain thoroughly. Like sometimes I'll just assume everybody knows what I'm talking about. So I'll like ramble and not say anything important, but you know, so I'm just like rambling, but you're not getting anything from it because I'm not being thorough. So I'm trying my best to be succinct, to say what you guys might be interested in hearing maybe, and also explain it thoroughly. So please let me know. I'm hoping that worked out okay. And then the third thing is I'm trying so much to share from my heart, because I feel like I have to be really honest with myself, with what I'm feeling and experiencing, in order for it to help me and to help you guys as well. So that is really challenging to do. It's so scary. But I'm trying to do that. So that's about everything. So that is weight loss through dance, week 1 or day 1. This is day 1. Yeah. So next week will be week 1. So as you can see, I I don't know why I just shared that dance. I don't know, but that's okay. I don't care. I am trying to embrace humiliating myself because I think it may take me to a new level in life, to a higher level, to something good. I'm hoping. We'll see. I don't know. But that's about it. I think that's everything. So yeah, so here we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm so excited. So that's about it. So thank you so much for watching, and keep your fingers crossed. Wish me luck. If you want, please join this journey with me. Let me know if you're wanting to do stuff like this and what you'd like to see, and if there's anything I can help you with. If I can find the info, I'll share it with you. Or anything you may like to see, let me know, or just tell me where you are on your journey. I would be so interested in hearing about that. I hope that all of you have a wonderful day. Oh, and always remember that it is never too late. You're never too far gone. Too much has not happened for you to have the life that you would like to have and make your dreams come true. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.